Welcome in. I like this little courtyard here. My helper here. Say what's up, dude. Got the kitchen here. I like all the storage that this property has here. So this is one of the other bedrooms here. Looks like this might be the primary. What do you think, Mario? You like it? Oh, bathroom. That is interesting. We have the laundry room in the primary bedroom. I like the sliding windows that we have here in this room. It also continues on to this other formal room here, especially in here in the dining room area as well. It's really nice. Check out the backyard. Oh, this is dope. I like this. Little wet bar here. Nice little view. Come up here. Let's take a look at the back of the house. Oh, teddy bear. Another bedroom. Another bath. Oh, nice closet. Oh, wow.